Good Monday morning, and I hope you had a great weekend. Thank you. If you're from the VPA, thank you for being part of our service yesterday. Thank God for you. We look forward every Sunday to being a blessing to you and having your service with us. Excellent. We thank God for you. I wanted to take a look this week at how the Bible sets out God in an atmosphere of worship, and see if that would influence how we come to God and how we're able in those moments to actually see God and glorify Him. My first text is taken from 1 Timothy chapter 1 and verse 17. It says, "Now unto the King eternal, immortal, invisible, the only wise God, be all glory and honor forever. Amen." And you begin to appreciate immediately that not only does it give you a sense of who God is, not necessarily His character, but His person, unto the King, eternal, immortal, invisible, the only wise God. It's not speaking to His morality. It's speaking to His being, His personhood. He's immortal. He's invisible. He's the only wise God. But acknowledging who He is as a person must drive us now to give Him glory and honor forever. So our response to recognizing who God is not to now demand of Him things that we need. Our first response ought to be, we give you honor and glory. And the giving of honor and glory is not just verbal. Giving of honor and glory is attitudinal, it is physical. So you'll find in a lot of the text where there is a vision of God and people are encountering God at that visionary level, the first thing they do is bow before Him. It is as if me giving God honor and glory must not only be emotional, it must not just be mental, it's also got to have a physical and attitudinal response. So my physical body bows. My attitude is one of humility and servanthood. It is all that I can do. And I tell you what, it brings to the fore all of my accomplishments, all of my accolades, all of my experiences, and saying, I give you honor and glory out of all of who I am. And because I give it, it is voluntary. Now, unto the King, eternal, immortal, invisible, the only wise God. To Him, unto the King, be all glory and honor forever. I hope you recognize God is not demanding of us that we worship Him. We do so out of a heart of recognizing who He is. Have you recognized who He is? Have you come into connection or into contact or into an awareness that the King deserves honor and glory, and that you have committed yourself to continuously giving Him the honor and glory He deserves? I challenge you today. Find ways, find opportunities where you can glorify God, where you can honor God with who you are, not just with what you possess. Hey, have a great day. God bless you. And I hope you get this morning, because we have prayer meeting tonight and we'd love for you to be a part of it. Shoot me a line. I'll send you a link. Let's stand together in prayer. God bless.